Good afternoon, guys. So in this lab, we're gonna learn how to do ARP and ARP proxy on Cisco router. So you could see that the lab objective is to learn how to understand how ARP and ARP proxy is used by the router in order to encapsulate the packet before it being sent to the neighbor devices. So you see the lab purpose, you must understand how ARP works in order to pass the CCNA exam. You could well face with an ARP-related issue to troubleshoot in the exam or in the real world. So this is very important. If you are a student preparing to go take your CCNA certification exam, if you want to be a network admin, network engineer, or whatever that you want to have any knowledge in networking, if you have difficulty to understand those terminologies and what are the meaning and how to work with them, you could always subscribe and reach out, leave a comment. This is why I sent to if you speak Creole, French, if you have difficulty on understanding these things. So you have these resources into your reach. You could reach out to us and we'll be more than happy to assist you to any help that you may need. So it's just not wasting time. Let's pull up this packet tracer and start getting our hands wet with these technologies. Okay. So we have those three routers here as in the topology. I'm gonna go ahead and connect with a crossover cable. Make this one. Make this this one. Now let's go ahead and connect the other one. Make this that, and make this this. Okay. Now, the first task we've been told is to check it out. So let's just, configure them, give them a name, water 1, 2, and 3. By the way, let's just call this 1, 2, 3. You could start from 3 to 1. Since we're already here, let's just rename this router. I'll say no, enable, copy, host router 3. Okay. 2, do the same thing. No, enable, copy, out 2. Host name, out 2. Okay. Let's go ahead for router 1. Router 1, say no, enable, conf t, conf t, host R1. Okay, so we're done with the first task, is to configure the host name on router 1, 2, and 3. So now it says that configure the IP address on the internet on R1, 2, and 3. 2 and 3 between those, and then says add static route to R1 ping, then bang return, then do the default route, leave it. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So it says all this can do on out. Now, let's start. Give them an IP. By the way, says to show IP. So we deal with gigabit. So interface gig, say 0, 0, 0, 0. And then IP address, and if I'm not mistaken, double check the IP to see. So it's 10. So, okay. 0, that's 0, that's 0. Too much 0, 1. Okay. So the subnet mask is 255. So that's in class A address. Yo, yo, yo. No shutdown. Okay. So that's an R1. Let's go on R2. What am I doing? Let's go on R2. We could do show IPN, BR. It's the same. It's right connected. Was it to R1? Yeah, I think it was R1 connected to. Okay, so we could say NFS gig show the address. So it's tell you what. What's the IP we give to this one? So check this. Let's see what IP we give to that. So that one we good. Okay, I give this. I give this 10.0.0.0.2. And then the subnet mask is 255.0.0.0. Yeah, typo. Miss 10. Good. No shutdown. Now, let's go on our three and do the same thing. R3, pull that up. Up. Show IP, IPNBR. There was I connect this to. I don't remember. Just connect it. Okay, just double check this. Let's put this on out. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and finish our configuration. You could say interface gig 0, 0, 0. Let's give it an IP address 92.168. Structure, what was it we had? Okay, so it's 192.168.1.2, then 255.255.255.0. Okay, no shutdown. We'll check. Oh, okay. Now, we'll check. Now on R3, after we not shut it down, we have to configure the default route. So we gotta go and call this IP R3 IP route 0.0.0.0 0.0.0.0. Okay, NFS gigabit Ethernet 0.0.0.1. They're not taking this. Forgive. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One mistake is the nth that should be removed here. It's gigabit, so it's gigabit Ethernet typo Ethernet 0.0.1. Oh, 0.1. Good job. Now, go ahead and route one and do a show. Let's exit out. Let's open this one so we can see. Exit out. So show up. You can see, then you can see the ARP. Then we could ping. Let's see if we can ping router 2 from router 1. So we got a successful ping. Now let's say show up. Let's see if we can pull that up. No. So now you see the encapsulation. So it shows route 2 from up R1. So now see if we can ping R3 from router 1. 68.1.2, if I'm not mistaken. And see if our ping is successful. Good job. So our ping is successful. Now let's see what else. Let's see. Let's do a show hop again. So that's from R1. Let's go to R3. Let's see. Do a show and exit out. Say show. NFS gig says it's up, encapsulation up, and the loopback set, and then so let's check the protocol. Okay, now go back to R1 and do a show up to C. Good job. So we see all the NFSs, they are there now. So thank you so very much, guys, for following along with me. Stay tuned for another video. Thank you.